So today we're gonna play Uno, as you see. Since my mama is still shuffling, you will just sit here, oh boring, oh boring, oh boring. So we're just gonna wake you up after that. And normal. So we're already starting it. Here. Okay. There. Bruh. We are just doing a video and the phone keeps falling down. Bruh. Bruh. This is actually so, is it okay, guys, if I just put that there?
Stand now.
Okay, wait.
We count your card.
Okay. Oh my god. Okay, get it. Get it. So 1, 2, 3,
I have
4,
11.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 11.
You have 11 too? Okay.
Ibutang na lang. Balik na lang. Kung meron ikaw 11. Okay. Who's first? Okay, guys. I don't know who's gonna be first, but it's gonna be me. Okay. Mama is gonna be +2. I cannot put it pala. Because we just started the game. 7. It needs to be at least 6 cards to put the magic. May. Go, 1 na ito. Sako sa akin. As you guys see, these are my cards. I don't have any gift cards.
Me again.
No, it's me again.
Stop, man.
Oh yeah. That's not stop. That is
Will I down?
That is reverse.
Reverse. So,
There's viewers
Go back to
watching.
me.
There's viewers watching.
How about that?
What?
Will I put same color or a different color?
But same color, same logo.
Hindi pa man.
Same color, same logo. I'm like a baby walking over here.
Two. Okay, two.
Yeah, that's red. Ako na lang. What color? Wait, is that 6 cards? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pa lang. Put that back. It needs to be at least 6 cards. Ah, okay.
So what color?
Any color. Okay.
You need to get 4.
Okay, done. I'm actually... this is 5. Ako ng 5. Ako 5. Nakuha ako ng 5. Stop giving that stare. Okay, that. Okay, it. I saw my... Still no signs. At least I'm just gonna change the color to a color red. It's got color, make it solar, cause some little can fetch. How dare you? Oh, hi, how dare you? You'll never understand things I went, but maybe going to an end. Hi, I'm Tyler from Skylar. My real name is Venus, but Skylar says nothing but a face. What can I make it salt? What color? It's something, cause baby I'm a knocker, cause I'm a nuclear. But maybe you should be mine. Oh, baby, you got something for me, cause baby I got you. Ooh. Gotta make something but you loving nice. Cause baby you ain't that easy, cause baby you're not allowed.
It's me.
Cause baby not so curly, cause I'm not a girl. Ooh.
No, red.
Oi! Babe,
Me, man, me.
you need to be same color!
Ay, ganun.
Oh my goodness, Mom.
My God.
Going, cause I'm a little eeny meeny cheetah. Cause I'm a tiny little son.
Why?
Hoy! Kung ano, black na car, pwede yan! Oh no!
I do.
Yes, guys! I won, guys. I won. I won. So, thank you for coming here and bye, guys. See you later.